Maybe on 24th of Leo, which is where I'm from, and I can't get out of bed. I'm sad all the time. I'm crying. Put my dad on. Get up.
Every week, therapist Ron Crawford hosts workshops where he uses hip-hop culture to connect with those who are dealing with trauma in the North Philadelphia community. In the summer of 2017, Crawford had his first hip-hop therapy session after learning about 2 deadly shootings in the North Philadelphia area.
Tell me how you felt. Say what you saw.
The goal was to have like a group where I talked about trauma. It was like a town hall where it was back and forth. And the idea was hopefully people from that community could come, maybe talk about some of the things that they experienced. And I would give them information about where they could go to get help.
Crawford explains why conventional therapy is often unsuccessful in communities of color and why his method works.
Then as I went to school and started learning about cultural competence and cultural relevance, I understood that when you bring a person's home culture into an intervention, it increases the buy-in. They become more interested, they become more engaged, and that increases the likelihood of them getting better.
Starting October 2nd, Crawford will be teaching an 8-week hip-hop therapy course through Temple University's Pan-African Studies Community Education Program. You can find out more information about Ron's hip-hop therapy workshops and the class he'll be teaching here at Temple by visiting our website at templeupdate.com. Reporting for Temple Update, I'm Ashley Weeks.